Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you 12 major reasons to upgrade to Windows 11 now. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 12 major reasons you need to upgrade to Windows 11. So one of the first major reason is the appearance. Windows 11 has a sleek and a modern interface with a central icon, which is this icon. In this my video you can see I'm currently on window, which is awesome. It comes with a focus and focus glass transparency, and also you can use a snap layout, which is awesome. Easily to organize your open window with a customizable snap layout. You can also use a snap group, which helps save specific layout for applications and return to them anytime you want. You can also have access to multiple desktops. You can create and manage multiple desktops for better multitasking, which is pretty awesome. You can also use a file explorer tab, which is good. You can navigate through multiple folders with ease using a tab in File Explorer. You can also use File Explorer command bar. You can also access frequent use command quickly with the new command bars. You can also get this on Windows 11, which is the Microsoft Team integration. It's awesome. Also, you can also get this. You can also get a gaming performance enhancement. Enjoy improving gaming performance with the features like a DirectX 12 Ultimate and Auto HDR in Windows 11. You can also get access to direct storage support, experience fast load times, and improve performance in games with direct storage. You can also get these features as well, which is enhanced hardware security, which also benefits from the advanced security features to protect your device and data. You can also get this as well from your Windows 11, which is improved screenshot tools. You can take advantage of these updating snapping tools with the few features like screen recording. You can also get these as well, which is the inbuilt generative AI, which also utilize the Microsoft Copilot AI for enhanced productivities in your Windows 11. Now note that all these features make Windows 11 a compelling upgrade, offering a blend of productivity, security, and aesthetics improvement. You should go and get this. It's awesome. Thank you.